Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to use threads for personal branding. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use threads for personal branding, all you gotta do is open your threads. Once you open your threads app, you can use your threads for personal branding by leveraging the text-based conversational platform to establish authority. You can share your authentic stories and connect with a niche audience. You can set up a personal professional profile, post consistently with valuable, high engagement content like tips, industry insight, personal stories, and actively participate in conversations to build community. So, if you're gonna do this, then you can optimize your a profile accordingly. You can define your niche and brand voice. You can share valuable content and focus on engagement. You can use threads to tell stories and utilize multimedia. So, this way, you can use threads for personal branding. I hope you found this video helpful. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.